Today I will show how to buy shares of Flux Power Holdings Inc., a company that builds lithium-ion battery systems for commercial electric vehicles and material handling equipment. Flux Power trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker Flux. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade Flux, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your identity with an ID document and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker FLYO to find Flux Power Holdings Inc. Make sure to select the NASDAQ listing so you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart with recent trading activity. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the Flux ticker to confirm this is the right stock. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will execute when it reopens. And if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once your order executes, the Flux position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description to access the platform and follow the full step-by-step process.